My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 BMW 7 Series. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media and radio, navigation and communication, my vehicle, notifications and connected drive. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 4 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro and Adaptive. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our rear entertainment screen. From here we can access our apps, settings, driving information, media and radio, climate comfort, seats and interior lighting. On top of this, we also have our reclining chairs. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.